I think it's the quality of the hard and the soft offer, as I describe it. We built a campus which is very attractive, but in particular we provide a whole range of soft services to support our partner companies. We now have 380 companies in the park, nearly 10,000 scientists and engineers, but many of the companies are small and medium-sized enterprises and they need support. So we offer shared access to shared laboratories. We have a major incubation program. At any one time we have over 100 incubatees, start-up companies which are nursing through the early stages of their development. We also help companies to raise money. All this is very essential if you have companies who are trying to convert, if you like, an idea into a commercial application. We act as the intermediary in helping them commercialise good ideas or services. We focus on 5 cluster technologies: precision engineering, information and technology, nanotech, biotech technology, and green technologies. We have, as I said, 380 companies from those 5 families. 60% are homebred, if you like, but 40% come from overseas. And we have major companies such as Philips, such as DuPont, but we also have a lot of small and medium-sized enterprises who are seeking to commercialise technologies. We're tackling it in a number of ways. Phase 3 of the park, which is under construction, is intended to be an exemplar in terms of the design and operation of green buildings. So we're going to showcase how it should and could be done. But also we're engaging with the community in many ways. Young people are our major target, obviously, helping them understand how important innovation and technology is in their everyday lives. And we run a thing called Inno Carnival every year, which is focused on the schools and the universities. Over 100,000 people, particularly young people, come to that event. Well, they're crucial, I believe. We have a whole range of strategic relationships. Universities, obviously, very important because they're the source of many of our ideas that we seek to commercialise, but also with sister parks and with fellow organisations around the world. We have a number of relationships in Europe. We have a relationship with Lund University, with the city of Malmö, which is an exemplar in terms of sustainable development, looking to form relationships with Imperial College here in London, with Cambridge University. Very crucial, I think, in terms of exchange of information and intelligence in the future. It's huge, quite frankly. Everybody is conscious about the needs to address climate change, not least the Chinese government, not least the Chinese leadership. And if you look at the Chinese 5-year plan, virtually every line or every other line talks about enhancing the environment, improving sustainability, green technologies, etc. I mean, for example, the Chinese have set themselves a target of reducing energy consumption by at least 30% over the next decade, but more particularly a shift to renewables. 15% of their electricity energy is going to be generated by renewables by 2020. So a major opportunity for companies both in the park and from outside. Well, I've mentioned already Phase 3. This we see as a crucial part of the park's role and responsibilities, if you like. We need to be setting the bar, we need to be setting standards, and we think that green technologies is an obvious area where we can do that. We're actually targeting zero carbon for Phase 3, which is a very ambitious thing to do, but we believe we can do it. And if we do it, we'll have a whole cluster of buildings with a zero carbon footprint. I mean, that will be the first in Asia. And that is, quite frankly, is all part of our vision and mission. We need to be the leader, particularly as a government-funded institution.